Hello friends, I am Chef Anushmita. Okay, today I will tell you how to make yummy chlen. Now, okay, friends, this is things to make the chlen. This is mashed potato. This is tomato. This is carrot. This is capsicum. This is onion. This is biscuit. This is salt. This is black pepper. This is mayonnaise. Friends, now we put the vegetables into the potato. Smash the vegetables and put the salt in the vegetables and mix. Friends, now we will make the chlen. We put biscuit in the mayonnaise, then make the chlen. We put the vegetables into the biscuit. Now we make veg on the chlen with this carrot. Now we make ice on the chlen. Careful. Yummy and delicious chlen is ready. Bye-bye. See you later. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel.